bottom of my heart turning out today, and I'm greatly encouraged. And I know I said earlier, we can regard this as the beginning or an end of the struggle, but I say it's the beginning. Right, give a great encouragement to the rest of me. That's the turbine roll. It's not the main entrance is on the other side. Next week, they're going to be bringing in the turbines for the next fortnight, all the way from Newport, Maybe Bridge, and I've been there already, taking photographs, gone over look, and a bit of knowledge, history knowledge here. That's King Harald, that is hunting lodge, so they got it in the right place. Now, it was burnt by the Welsh. Now, Maybe Bridge are shipping them into Swansea because they don't want to block the main roads. They come into Swansea docks, Shannon has been already down there and putting them back at the computers, and they're coming up to Readers at Pontrhydywi. There's going to be big trouble in Pontrhydywi because they're taking out the roundabout. Big trouble in Readers Road, they're cutting trees down, so where are the tree huggers? You know, they'll go down there, they're coming up the road, they're coming to here, and they're going to start to bring up the turbines. 15 turbines. That's one turbine for every English Prince of Wales. So they're coming up this road. Now, after this event now, here, we're going to walk, it's very wet up there today, we're going to walk down this south fence. Much drier there and flatter here, so that the street drains off. We're going to stick up posters and other little things we got, like the black flags on the fence. Leave the black flags on the fence and your posters. We're going to go to the red gate. Then when we get to the red gate, we pass through the red gate, we see you this way, we've got the right way. The red gate on the other side. Cross over to that other side, but don't go on, come back, because you have to go on that land and they've got turbine things. It's like a maze and it's country and it's wet. Come back this way and then we're going to march down to the collecting cars and flags and go down to the viewing station, to the hub first, there's a short barricade there, and then you're off. Whenever you're off. That, by the way, is, it looks like Rock Smith, doesn't it? That, by the way, is where the power from the windmills goes down, and from there it'll go to pylons and get the hill to go down to Delight. And so we've got to make something here. That's very symbolic, that. Go to the viewing station, have a little chat, go sit down, have a rest, go for a drink, come here, go down. It's overcast today, but if it was sunny, if you went up there to Pentraguy, the view of the area around, if they're going to destroy 15 turbines here blocking that view, and another 20 odd blocking that view, you're going to see the go on. And we're going to assembly the grease of this. Are they stark raving mad? And a lot more in breakfast. And everywhere else. I'll tell you this, if they were putting them in Snowdonia, then you hear Pride Cavalry speaking, swearing all over again then. Well, I'm saying, I went up the swearing, 100 more swearing. In the past, our ancestors would have given the iron you know, they had no choice but to go along with it when they were starved. Yeah, today we've got a choice. We've got a very simple choice, fight back. And our people did it, and take courage. Our people started it in the 16th, the 17th, and 18th century. That's why I used the red bridge for. We started exploring the people's land, the rich, greedy landlords, rich and well. And peasants rose up and did fight back. The slogan, Trech Blad na Gatrwy, comes from Cwmwd Caio. Cwmwd Caio is a Griffith, so when in the Griffith, the second from, or the executed Richard, it's where young Griffith of Greece, and his young wife, Gwenllian, they out as outlaws for many years. You know, condemned by their own cracker. You know what they were called by their own cracker? Imbecile. Why would they call it imbecile? Because the cracker, hey, we're onto a good thing. The Normans were letting them guard the castles for. You know, so you've got to think this through, this history. And you imagine if you go up to the next struggle to look at the mountain, it's fantastic. You can imagine these are the mountains going to came across and Gwenllian. Remember that. Right. Around now, pick up the black flag, following the fence, and along the fence that way to the red gate. Stick the posters up with the black flags. Bring the other flags back with you. Come back this way. Take the flags with you to the hut. And then we sort that out there in the movie. They will go up to the hut, mark them off, or it's not